Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Titi. Today I'm going to share with you guys how I make my egusi soup. And this is my collard green. Here I have my pomo, cow skin. I have my crayfish. This is my spicy garlic ginger. This is my nut cube and a little bit of salt. And here is my cheese wagashi. And here I have my goat meat right here, and my stock. And here I have my egusi. I have my red oil here, palm oil. And I have my fish here, and here I have my garlic, ginger, and onion here. Okay, and that is what I have. That is everything I have for my egusi soup. I have my tomato, which I already blend, and I'm going to start it with my, sorry, I had to put my, for you guys to see very well what I'm doing. Putting my palm oil in my pot. Oh. It's already hot. I'm going to add onion, garlic, and ginger. Going to add my tomato and pepper. My tomato and pepper. So in this pot, This is, that's it. It is done for my egusi. You know, everybody have his own way to make egusi soup. So my own way of making my egusi, this is the way I like it, because I love put tomato. I love use tomato in my egusi. So this is how my egusi look like now. It's ready to eat, and I'm going to serve my food. You can eat it with anything you like. Some fish. So, and you eat it with your, yeah, this is my akume, or whatever they call it, akume. You can eat it with fufu. You can also eat it with haku or whatever, or semo. So this is, you see, it's done. It's ready, and you eat it with anything you like. You can also eat it with rice. So thank you for watching. Thank you. Subscribe to my channel, please. Click on notification for more video. Click on the like. Comment down below. So thank you very much, and God bless you all. Love you all. Bye.